තුරුම්පු අසිතියක් හිටියට වැඩක් නැද නැත්තම් කරන්න සෙල්ලමක් මං ඉල්ලමක් වුණත් ඉල්ලන්නේ එක පරයි නැත්තම් දාන්නේ පිල්ලමක් මම පාට කරේ මම තනියෙන් එකයි උනේ මල් ලස්සන සිත්තමක් දැන් වටින් ගොඩින් කට්ටිය කියන්නේ අද උඹ මර චරිතයක් කොම චරිතයක් උනේ නිකන් නෙවෙයි මම ගැලුවා මගේ මහත් මම ඉදිලුනේ
Great connection.
He picked up the length really well and just put it in the night sky and let the brick.
Another shot by Alex, going up in the air for another. That's into the gap. Well struck from
And he finds the gap on this occasion. It's gone up a long way. We'll take some catching kick for a start. No, it should be. Travelling in the air. Carry on. No. Oh, you wouldn't believe it. You just wouldn't credit it.
Against Bobby.
Swatai finds the man in the deep. No.
Picked up the length very quickly. Manayava at the boundary. Looked like he was in with a chance. Just over it.
Last 11 innings. Up in the air. And fine.
Driven beautifully through the past 5 overs. 61 runs. And Adam
Wonderful shot this touching so far. This time down the ground. Has he got enough of it? Just off. Is it going to be another scholarship? And it is. Just about. You see. 18 balls. Need a wicket desperately. And that will just... well, that is really down the ground. Got the middle of the bat.
Straight as you like. And